In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card from your Wise account using the most up-to-date methods available in 2025. Whether you're transitioning to a new card or simply want to tidy up your account, this guide will walk you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. First, you'll need to log into your Wise account. You can do this through the Wise app on your mobile device or by visiting their website on your desktop. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Card tab. This is where all your payment cards linked to your Wise account are listed. It's a central hub for managing your card details, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. Next, identify the specific card that you wish to remove. Simply click on the card to bring up more details and options related to that specific payment method. It's important you confirm this is the correct card you want to take action on to avoid any unwanted changes to your account. Before removing the card, your next step is to freeze it. Tapping freeze card is a crucial step as it instantly prevents any new charges from being processed with that card. Freezing the card serves as an important security measure, ensuring no more money is drawn from it while it's still associated with your account. Once the card is frozen, you'll proceed by tapping replace card. Here, you'll be prompted to select a reason for replacing the card. You might choose an option like lost or another reason that accurately fits your situation. After this, you need to confirm your selection. Confirming will effectively cancel the old card, making sure it's no longer active for any transactions. Now, while your card is disabled, you might notice it still appears in your list of cards. Although this locked card is listed, rest assured it's unusable and won't affect your account. However, if you desire a cleaner appearance or simply want the card permanently removed from your history, there's one final step. Reach out to Wise support for assistance with deleting the card from your account. Unfortunately, Wise doesn't offer an automatic button for this step, so contacting them is necessary. You can use the in-app chat feature or send them an email requesting them to delete the blocked card from your transaction history. They are generally very responsive and will help you complete this task. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to remove a card from Wise. Remember, these steps ensure your account stays secure and organized. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with ease.